I just repacked the bearings on my trailer, and one of the difficulties of finishing the job is getting the dust caps back on. The dust caps that you see here are standard size 1.998 outside diameter dust caps. And driving these can be done, it said, with a 2x4 with a hammer on top, but these are made of aluminum and they're easily bent, the top and the bottom. The objective is to be able to get a device to be able to get to those flanges so that you can avoid whacking the top of the dust cap. So going to Home Depot, I went to the plumbing section. I asked the plumber, do you have any metal pipe with a 2-inch inside diameter that I could use to drive these back on? He walked right over and grabbed a $6 part called a 2-inch by 3-inch nipple made by Southland, and they fit perfectly over these bearing caps. You can see that, and it fits perfectly here. And I anticipate that this is going to make driving these bearing caps back on very much easier than just whacking the top with a hammer.